We're here today for the culminating event for our New Jersey Division of Education grant. It's a climate summit, so we have school districts who also got the grants that are coming.
Lectec, who was on Shark Tank about 2 weeks ago, they are coming and bringing devices which are electric vehicles, actually skateboards we're going to build with the kids.
Lectec stands for Electric Technology. It was me and my best friend. We started the business a couple years ago. It's what we wish we had when we were becoming engineers. So get to actually build an electric skateboard, build an electric scooter, get to learn about batteries and gears and motors. So it's a whole lot of fun and it has that real-world applicability that we always wish for.
The whole premise of the grant that we have, and even with the school grant they have, is to educate students on climate change, to understand what's happening with our Earth, what's happening with our environment.
Today I learned how important really climate change is and how much the Department of Education in New Jersey especially has been helping out other schools, not just us, but other schools in the area, get the money and get the fundraising to create these cool projects that we're having right now.
It's really important that the younger generations know exactly how important it is and how impactful you can be.